New details tonight on how police tracked down the two men charged in a murder on the Northwest Side. WGN's Emmy Victor reports on their first appearance today in court.
The two men who appeared here today got to hear out loud the charges they are facing for allegedly killing a 63-year-old man. Today's hearing brought forth a lot more details about how that man may have died and the moments that led up to the suspects being arrested. Tonight, two men are back in jail after appearing inside a Cook County courtroom today. They're accused of attacking a Chicago man last weekend. Authorities believe 29-year-old Jefferson Ubia Delgado and 21-year-old Guider Wuan Bello Morales killed 63-year-old George Levin at his home on Sunday night. Cameras were not allowed inside the courtroom today. However, prosecutors argue that what happened to Levin was horrifying. After receiving a call from a relative, police say they found Levin dead inside his basement, tied in duct tape and an electrical cord. He was partially naked and had a sock stuffed inside of his mouth. Prosecutors pointed to evidence from surveillance cameras showing the two suspects arriving and leaving Levin's home the night of his death. They also found duct tape near one of the suspects' vehicles. Police say shortly after the suspects allegedly beat him, they robbed him. Levin's cell phone and wallet were missing from his house. Prosecutors say surveillance video showed the suspects visiting a nearby vape shop and gas station where they attempted to use his debit card. They also spent over $4,000 on Amazon. By tracking things like Levin's phone and an electronic monitoring device being worn by one of the suspects, they were able to ultimately find the two men and arrest them. The suspects' attorneys argue that despite the videos, there was no evidence to prove exactly what happened inside of the basement. They also argued that the two men ended up with Levin's phone as part of a payment for sex. Levin and Morales are said to have previously communicated through Grindr, an online dating app. The two men, who are migrants from Venezuela and Ecuador, do not speak English and were given a translator to hear what went on in court today. The judges ordered that the suspects aren't to be released from jail at least until a trial. They're set to appear in court again next week. Reporting at the Cook County Criminal Courthouse, Emmy Victor, WGN News.